Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did the Apres nails and the Makartt nails, so now I'm just gonna polish them and put some rhinestones on there. So I went ahead and did my right hand, and I'm gonna be using Enail Couture's Space Galaxy Kitty in number 14. So it's kind of like a review on their Galaxy Kitty polishes. And so far, this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. So pretty. And I'm using Enail Couture's black gel polish. This is number 2. So I'm going to lay down a thin coat of the black gel polish. You don't want it too thick or else it will wrinkle. So right now I am covering up the Makartt base colored tips. We're going to see how these wear. I didn't want to put, a whole lot on top of these because I want to, I want to see how they wear and stuff. So that's why we're just going to go with like a thin coat of black and then a thin coat of the Galaxy Kitty. If you do get any of the black on your skin, you're going to definitely want to clean that up before you cure it. Okay. Make sure you try to cover all your spots so you don't have any black show or any, nail showing. Okay. Just like so. I really do like this black. It is definitely black. Another trick to get it on the side is to pull the skin down. Pull it taut. And then you can get really close. It's kind of harder to do on the other side, but try to get it as close to as you can without touching your actual finger, your skin. Alright guys, I'm going to add some music and I'm going to continue adding the black gel polish, so I will be back. Alright, after I've added my black gel polish, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds in my Dazzling Darling light from Enail Couture as well. And this is the, I'm sorry, I said Space Kitty. I meant Galaxy Kitty. I don't know why I keep saying Space Kitty. I think it's because it looks like spaceships and stuff. So we're going to put Galaxy Kitty number 14. And that's what I have on this hand. It's like a purple to green. It is so pretty. And we are going to use one of the magnets that Max also sent to me. After the black polish is cured, let's go ahead and take the Galaxy Kitty 5D Cat 5D cat eye, 10 ml bottle. Like I said, number 14. And you're gonna put a, let me show you what it looks like first. Look how pretty. And you're gonna just go ahead and put a thin coat of that over the black, making sure you cover up all your black spots. Now if you do get this on your skin, you want to go ahead and take that off before you cure it. Okay, so it just takes, like I said, a very thin coat. A very thin coat. Let me get it off my skin right here. And then I'm taking this one, this magnet, and I'm just gonna go on the side here. As you can see, it's already working. I'm just gonna go on the side, and I'm gonna go like that. And see how that looks. And then I'll take it and I'll go just like that. And look how pretty that is. So now I'm going to take my little flashy lamp that I also got from Enail Couture, and I'm just going to cure that into place so it doesn't move around. That way we can continue on with the other nails. Okay, so again, I'll go ahead and add some music, and you guys can watch me add this color. Okay, now that the color is added, we can go ahead and play with the magnet. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. You want to move your other fingers out of the way though while you're doing this, so the magnet stays where you put it, or the polish stays where you put it. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Alright guys, I'm going to use my shiny gel top coat by Enail Couture. Alright guys, I'm going to go with... Alright guys, so I do have the squeezy gummy jelly, but I'm having an issue getting it out. So I might have to cut the tip of this. So I'm going to use my Makartt rhinestone glue, nail glue, rhinestone gel nail glue. So let's go ahead and I'm going to do the same. I think I'm just going to do like one rhinestone on all 5 nails. So I'm just going to put one dollop of the gel on the center of the nail, center by the cuticle, right in the middle. And then I'm going to take the big rhinestone and plop it right there. Let's do the real big one right here. And of course they're all flipped. Okay, so before you flash cure these, make sure they're right where you want them. Okay, so the rhinestones are on. And now I'm going to take the shiny top coat, Let's go ahead and do this hand first. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Okay. Alright guys, so off camera I went ahead and top coated the left hand and did a full 60-second cure, and this is how they turned out. So someone was asking how to apply the gel polish. As long as you put it on in very thin layers and cure them in between, you're going to be just fine. And then of course here I'm going in with my cuticle oil by Loved by Birdie. Definitely go check her out, you guys. www.lovedbybirdie.com and get you some cuticle oil. It smells absolutely amazing. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Let me know with a big thumbs up in the comment section. Also, let me know what you think of this set that I did using the Apres and the Makartt nails. I will be wearing these. We'll see how they wear, like I said in my wear video. I think they really look cute. I love the design. I may change out the stones because I'm not really liking those. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, guys.